Hi, this screencast is to provide an overview of the personalized learning professional development opportunity that was provided by DPI's ILCs, or an ILC is an innovative learning catalyst, and they were able to pull some things together to present for our GCPS faculty some information around personalized learning. So the session was held on December 3rd from 4:30 to 5:30, and I want to note that there are many participants that registered here at this link, and there is a keyword in order to register for this event just due to the fact that it was a select number of participants. Many of you joined the live lesson that was hosted via Zoom. That session on December 3rd was recorded, and the recording that was an hour long has been edited, broken up into 4 different portions for those that were unable to attend the live session. So the live session on December 3rd is actually hosted now inside of Edpuzzle. So if you are interested in still attending the December 3rd session, please access Edpuzzle as a student, and you can complete and watch the following pieces about personalized learning. Please know there are some parts that are a little bit interactive that you may kind of miss out on, but a lot of the information is super engaging and helpful. The presentation link is actually accessible here in the title that the ILCs had provided, and then below there's also some additional information with a presentation also. So once you're completed with this information below about the personalized learning live session, feel free to send Leah Powell an email, and a wisdomware code will be provided for that 4:30 to 5:30 session. Once everyone is complete, or you are complete with the December 3rd session, you can move on to our follow-up optional personalized learning assignment. So what we want to do is, for this task, and you can complete this at any time before January 8th, for this task, you can access this presentation here. And this presentation is just it's just 4 slides from the larger presentation at the top. And this presentation listed here in task 1 actually highlights the 4 pillars of personalized learning. So the 4 pillars are listed here. So on slide 2, it highlights learner profiles. Slide 3, individualized learning paths. Slide 4, competency-based learning. And slide 5, flexible learning environments. So what you're going to do is take a look at this presentation, go through the slides. Each of the slides has information around one of the 4 pillars. There are videos attached to each of the pictures or images that are here that goes a little bit more in depth about each of these items. During the actual December 3rd session, we were given the chance to look at one and to provide some feedback, and you can kind of go back to that one, or if there's another one you want to take a look at. In this task, you'll view that presentation and select one of those 4 pillars to look at a little bit closer and to use within your learning environment. So task 2, once you do that, you're going to use this form to provide us some feedback. And this form is pretty straight to the point where you will let us know which one of the 4 pillars you have focused on. Tell us what is the value of the pillar for personalized learning that you selected, and what are you currently doing that supports the work of this pillar. In this portion, please feel free to submit links to documents, presentations, or images that support your answer. So if you're someone that is going to choose a flexible learning environment and talk about the value of that, and you can include images of students in their flexible learning environments. It's totally up to you how you want to submit what you are currently doing. The last question here, what do you need more to move forward and implement personalized learning into your learning environment? So please include some information here. This question is really going to drive what personalized learning professional development looks like moving forward. And then please ask at least one question about personalized learning. Afterwards, you'll submit that form, and once you are complete, you'll send me another email, and an additional Wisdom Word code will be provided for this session. So for both of these sessions, the December 3rd is 0.1 CEU, and the January 8th follow-up is 0.2 CEUs. So please let me know if you have any questions. We are really super excited about this opportunity we had to work with to work with the ILCs, and to bring their skill sets to Granville County, and know that this presentation was provided to our Granville Online, Granville Academy, our technology leaders, and our digital stars. Just knowing how things are going to be moving forward and getting a little bit more information about personalized learning. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and thank you for all that you do.